Okay, so let's focus on that word suitability. Suitability of different materials for different purposes or for different objects. So suitability means having the properties which are right for a specific purpose. Metal, wood and plastic are all suitable materials for spoons. Metal is suitable because it is strong and lasts a long time. Wood is suitable because it is strong and has a high heat tolerance. And plastic is suitable because it's light and cheap, but also quite strong as well. So you just have to think about today different objects, what they're made from and why they are made from that thing. So for example, a kettle wouldn't be good if it was made from paper, because the water would just break, and paper isn't very strong either, and it can't deal with heat very well. Okay, so when we're looking at suitability, the different materials have different properties, and here are some of them. So properties can be hard, soft, stretchy, stiff, shiny, dull, rough, smooth, bendy, not bendy, absorbent, not absorbent, waterproof, not waterproof, transparent, and opaque. Remember, transparent is something you can see through, and opaque is something you cannot see through. And because of their suitability, that means that some materials are more suitable for others. So for example, here we have glass. So why are window panes made from glass? What is it about glass that makes it a good material for window panes? Why wouldn't other materials be as suitable? So I would probably have a go at telling me why glass is a good material to use for windows.